Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus, and let me show you how to enable battery saver mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select the settings right here. Then let's scroll down, and under system and device, let's choose battery and performance. Here let's choose power, and as you can see here, you've got the information about your battery. You can check the app battery saver, you can check the battery user, or you can simply turn on the battery saver mode by using the battery saver icon. Here I've got the instruction, and let me enable this mode by using that switcher. You can, for example, turn on location on battery saver mode or choose close. You can, for example, turn off battery saver when you charge your device to some specific percentage. You can also switch it on automatically by using the schedule. If you would like to disable the battery saver, let's use the same switcher, and let's go back to use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.